the weak link there, but it didn't crush the floor.
Right.
Putting the new rocker and everything in over there shouldn't have done anything because it's a straight fucking line.
Right. Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. And like I said, it's sitting almost perfect on the fucking torsion bar cross member. Perfect on the fucking front frame rails. Pushing this down, it's almost perfect, except I got to adjust them this way a hair, which is on me. But that's why you screw them in first and check everything before you weld it. I don't get why those would be riding that far away. Because you can't drop that rocker any lower.
No.
You can't pick it up any higher.
No.
So it doesn't make any sense.
No, it doesn't.
Weird. Well, I'll keep thinking about that, but for now, we're going to stab a few more holes. Push that front corner down, or maybe I should just go after it now before I get too carried away. And see if I can't figure that out.
So the actual hose had something in it. The nozzle had something in it.
Yeah,
and I forgot about
suction
that.
tube.
Yep.
So I took the tip of the nozzle off.
Yeah.
And when I moved it, a little piece of, because I stuck my finger to the bottom of it. I'm like,
And
it's
that's the
not,
one thing neither one of us checked.
It was like weak suction. Oh yeah, because I drained the whole thing, checked the hose. I made a bloody fucking mess over there. You know, one of my bags ripped on me, so there's shit all over the fucking floor. It was just a clusterfuck. And I started feeling for suction because I put it back together. I'm like, why is there no suction? Or like little. Put it back together, it's not blowing shit. I'm like, there's got to be something in this fucking nozzle. Took it apart, one little piece goes, boop,
That was it.
falls out. Put it, sucked my finger right to it. I was
Yep,
like,
there it is.
rock and roll.
Sweet.
I think I probably put them all away. Do you see a standard screwdriver up here? I'm moving back and away, so the weight of the floor, I'm not holding it in a different location. That's all I'm trying to do. Little bit.
I already cried once about it today. I don't want to cry about it no more.
Okay.
You guys having fun? That looks like he's having a great time.
Yeah.
We're beating the floor into submission.
Yeah.
You put baby in the corner of the car.
Right.
Again. He's so rude.
All right. Push down a little bit more. Can you? All right. Hold it right there. Go ahead, take your foot out of it. That looks pretty good to me. Okay.
And you definitely need to be down there, and I definitely need to be right here. Because my ass will be like, yeah, it feels pretty good. You come out and like, oh, fucking head didn't get that one right.
All right. Can you go down anymore?
Yep.
There we go. Hold her there. Hold her there. Okay. That's feeling nice.
Yep.
That looks good.
I can see it now.
Oh yeah, it almost looks like she pulled in good through here too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well let me get a little screw in that one. Oh, that's one fucked up. How are we on the top of this? How's all that looking?
It looks pretty good to me. Can you feel? Well, you can't feel
I
it.
can kind of see. Can you step in the center a little bit? See if that center drops. Oh yeah, there she goes. Keep it there. Joker. Bend this tab a little bit.
Definitely losing daylight over here.
What's that?
So we've lost a lot of daylight. Remember how it was way big in there before?
Look, yeah.
It's only a little bit, just maybe right over here now, but
We might not get as much as we want. But I'm gonna, let me see that drill. I'm gonna send a screw and see if it does what the fuck we want it to do. Get all this fucking little slivers and shit in here on this magnet. And that's why this thing pushes for me.
mm-hmm.
That pull it in any?
Mm-hmm.
So. Alright, right in here, stomp that bitch until it gets level. Unless maybe you do need to get in there to put the leverage to it.